Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I'm your dietitian. For this hot summer, here's a cool cucumber lassi. Watch, prepare and get cool. Ingredients required for this recipe are few cucumber slices, half cup curd, few mint leaves and 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Firstly, take a jar. Add cucumber pieces which are peeled and de-seeded. Now add few mint leaves. Add half cup of curd to the jar. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add water. Should be cool. Now grind it into a smooth consistency. Pour it into your favorite glass or matka. Garnish and enjoy this amazing drink. This cucumber lassi is quick and easy to make, that offers a burst of flavors and cools you down too. It is low in calorie and benefits our gut health, strengthens immunity and promotes detoxification. So drink it and have a cool summer. If you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apurva Dietitian on YouTube. I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay cool, stay safe. Bye-bye.